Have you ever suffered from an ingrown toenail? Then you know how painful it can be when the side of the toenail grows into the soft skin nearby. So it usually happens to toenails. A fingernail can actually become ingrown too. How does this happen? And what are some ways to take care on an ingrown toenail? An ingrown toenail can be caused by shoes that are too tight, nail not being cut right, a nail injury, or having uncommon curved toenails. Also, people who have diabetes or other health problems that stop the blood from flowing to the feet properly are more likely to get ingrown toenails. Some signs of an ingrown toenail are painful that doesn't stop, redness and swelling. If not treated right away, onychocryptosis or ingrown toenail can lead to infection that will be seen by redness and swelling around the nail and pus and watery discharge which is colored with blood. There are ways to treat an ingrown toenail at home. However, if you already seen signs of infection, go to the doctor because an infection can spread and lead to the problems. Here are some solutions that can fix the ingrown toenail. Warm water soak. If you're looking to lessen the pain, swelling, and tenderness brought on by an ingrown toenail, try soaking your foot into warm water a few times a day. 1. Fill a foot tub in warm water. 2. Soak your feet for 15 to 20 minutes. 3. Do this 3 to 4 times a day to have pain. Cotton wedge under the nail. After you soak your foot in the warm water, you can try putting a cotton wedge under your nail to make sure it grows up out the skin. This will help the pain and let it heal faster. 1. Soak your feet in warm water and dry them very well. 2. Lift the nail carefully with a pair of tweezers that is not too sharp. 3. Put a small rolled up piece of cotton between the nail and skin. 4. To stop infection, use a new piece of cotton each time you soak your feet. Note: you may feel some pain in the beginning, but it will get better quickly. Make sure not to push the cotton roll more than the swollen skin lets. Epsom salt. Another good cure for an ingrown toenail is Epsom salt or magnesium sulfate. It will help make the skin soft so that it will easier to bring out the ingrown toenail and will bring down the swelling. 1. Fill a foot tub with the warm water and put in 1 tablespoon of Epsom salt. 2. Soak your feet in the mixture for 20 minutes. 3. Take your feet out and dry them well. 4. Do this 3 to 4 times a week. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is a good cure for ingrown toenail because it kills bacteria and brings down swelling. Also, because of the little amount of acid in the vinegar, it helps stop infection. Here are 2 different ways to use apple cider vinegar to cure ingrown toenail. Use either one until you feel they have worked. 1. In a small foot tub, make the same amount of a raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar and warm water. 2. Soak your toenail in the mixture for 20 to 30 minutes. After, dry your toenail very well. 3. Another way to do it is to soak only a cotton ball in a raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar and then put it on your toes. 4. Leave it covered with bandage for a few hours before taking it off. Hydrogen peroxide. Because hydrogen peroxide kills bacteria, it lessens the risk of an ingrown toenail getting infected. It also helps lessen the pain and swelling that come from an ingrown toenail. 1. Mix about half a cup of hydrogen peroxide in a small tub filled with warm water. 2. Let your foot soak in the mixture for 20 minutes. 3. Do this 1 to 2 times a day. Another thing to be careful of is shoes. If your shoes are too tight, they can push the nail into the nearby skin. It's better to wear shoes made of softer fabric with more room for your toes. Women try not to wear high heel to keep pressure off the toes. That is the end of the video. I hope you like it. Hey everybody, if it is the first time you just watched this video, please hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to the channel to make sure you won't miss the new release video.